Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com. We're here in Detroit, Michigan area at Livernois Motorsports. And you guys have seen us on the channel in the past talk about, a lot of Coyote engines and things like that. Livernois does tons and tons of those. They do a lot of other engines too, and I'm not talking just about like Mopar stuff. We've got one of the old venerable favorites that you guys do a ton of here on the stand.
We do.
6.2 liter like Gen 1 Raptor engines, and like how many of these things are still coming in here?
Honestly, it's our #1 engine still to this day. You figure the truck hasn't been made in almost a decade. Yeah, they still make them in Super Duties up till last year, but that's not who's building these, right?
Yeah.
These are Gen 1 Raptor guys are doing these. We make them a 6.6 from a 6.2, so it's a stroker, it's got our ported heads, camshafts, all that. But it is legitimately our #1 family of engines. We probably on average do 5 to 10 a month. For a single variant, single version, for, again, a truck that hasn't been made in 10 years, it's a pretty big deal.
And you can see this one's sort of in the beginning stages of being built, has the bearings out and bearings in it, and the studs for the mains. I'm guessing this is just getting all measured out now, but this one's a little bit further along.
Yeah, this one's got the crank in it and everything, so all the align honing's done, going through torque and mains on it, really getting it ready to, hang the rods and pistons in it, get the short block done, and, start building it out from there.
I know a lot of guys were hoping that this would eventually become basically the modular replacement, and the big reason for that is just the bore spacing on this engine. It uses such a much larger piston. You can get so much more displacement, like you're saying. You can go to 6.6 fairly easily on that.
Yeah.
And that's displacement not seen in a Ford engine since these guys over here. Talk about going back to the old school way of thinking. We have 7.3 stuff on the channel earlier. Now we've got old school pushrod Ford, and a lot of guys don't know that you guys will build these things. And
yeah, we do.
Got a lot of those coming in the shop now too.
Yeah, we still do a ton of small block Ford, Windsor-based stuff. We've had some Cleveland in here now and again, right? But definitely something that's still in our repertoire. We do a lot of these, especially Fox body guys, right? Yeah, there's a lot of Coyote swapped ones, but there's a lot of guys that want to stay tried and true small block Ford, and Fox body's sort of having a moment right now.
Yeah.
They're the owners that have them now are really wanting to make them nice. They're wanting to bring them back to glory. So, hey, can I get a used $200 set of heads and cobble up this used Explorer manifold stuff is sort of, taking a little bit of a pause right now. And people are like, no, I want to compete with modern stuff, but keep it old school.
And you can tell this is a pretty nice little setup, because this is dart block, trick flow heads, double roller timing set. Looks like a really nice crank and set of rods in this thing. This is not just a cheap, not a cheap build at all. Billet main caps. This is going to be a hot little motor when it's all together.
Yeah, this one, if I remember correctly, is slated to be a twin turbo setup. Still streetcar type level power, right? He's not trying to make 1500 or anything like that, but want to have something that'll live with 800-900, somewhere on there on E85, and just, have fun with it.
Yeah. I just love seeing stuff like that guys are still building things like that and just wants a nice street car. And you can see it even got the really nice copper gaskets in it. Good looking setup. So it's not just all Coyote for you guys. It's not just all EcoBoost. It's not just all tuning. It's just if you want to make power, give Livernois a call.
Yeah, we really do. I mean, it's something that a lot of people, sort of forget where our roots came from, but we never did. This is small block Ford drag race stuff was, a big part of our history. It continues to be.
Yeah. So if you guys are looking for any engine work to be done, give Livernois a call. I'm sure you guys have seen it all in the past. So.
Yeah, we have. So, absolutely.
So, and as always, like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. We've got more videos coming up from Livernois Motorsports in the not too distant future. So if you don't want to miss out on that, you know what to do. Thanks for checking us out, guys.